Today we are driving the Goblin and Logan is finally back in the videos. You've been MIA for like...
This man's been working me like a dog.
He's been locked in a little editing room, editing a bunch, but he's finally made it back out. We just did a couple of adjustments to the Goblin, and I made some adjustments to the alignment and stuff. So now the Goblin actually feels a lot more controllable, thus it feels faster.
Yeah,
so,
last time I was in it, whenever you'd get on it, it'd be like all over.
Yeah, so I really couldn't get on it. But since then, I've made a bunch of adjustments. We just finished bleeding the clutch, so hopefully it is actually bled now. I don't know why I'm having so many issues with it. But I figure, since you haven't been here, let's go for a ride.
It's nice out, too.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like finally not 100 degrees outside. It's only like 70. So we're going to go for a bit of a test drive in the Goblin and see how you're feeling after this. Always the most fun part.
See if I can get in.
Oh, here, move the fire extinguisher first.
Oh. Right there.
Okay, so normally we wear helmets whenever we ride in the Goblin, but today I decided safety glasses will be enough. Just because we're just going to go around the block. We're just going to get some good test drive footage, kind of see how things are doing on it. I tried to fix the clutch. We're mainly going to see if the clutch is working. Logan got the battery tied down, which it was something that we just never got to in the previous video. And then I finally got my speedometer working, but the issue is it reads about half the actual speed that I'm going. So I've got a little...
No.
It
reads the perfect speed. That's exactly how. So Carrollton Police, that's the right speed.
But I do have my phone set up as like a backup speedometer, just in case, you know. But anyway, that's what we're doing. As soon as Logan gets this figured out.
Oh, I just crushed my finger.
Well, the clutch pedal feels smooth. I've been kind of messing with it while I've been sitting here. It's still a little loose, but that's not because of the fluid, which that's been the biggest issue. So anyway, let's go and start it up. See how we're doing?
Nice and cold.
That's a good sign here. I just ran over the fire extinguisher, didn't I?
You did just run over the fire extinguisher because I left it there.
We're off kind of to a rough start already. I ran over the fire extinguisher and I can already tell I'm still having an issue. So whenever I put it in gear, when the clutch is pushed all the way in, if I put it in first, or really if I put it in reverse, it starts rolling backwards. And that's what the clutch rolled all the way, and that's what the clutch all the way in. So it shouldn't be doing that. It's also really hard to get into gear, which means my master cylinder or my slave cylinder is going out. I'm assuming it's my slave cylinder, but I don't know. But we're still gonna go for a bit of a drive, do some tests. I doubt it'll work itself out. This issue just keeps getting worse every single time I try to fix it. So definitely a slave cylinder, master cylinder issue.
Does it backfire?
A little bit. It's running a little rich, so it backfires a little bit.
My hair is already like...
Oh yeah, I know. It's gonna be crazy.
Oh man. I've never been in here with you driving it like that.
It's the first time I was like scared to get on it, you know?
Yeah, it looks like someone's been driving a lot recently. That's cool. I'm scared.
It's pretty quick.
Yes. Yes. Jeez. Check that thing out. That's insane. Yo. Good Lord, dude. People are whistling at us.
Yeah, right?
It's so fast.
We have returned. Ah, man, it is creaky up here.
Yeah, it's making a lot of noises.
Like I need grease or something. Making noise.
Yes. Decides to stop making it once I start feeling
Now it's really doing it. So right now I'm in neutral with the clutch in all the way. And you can see we're not rolling. But I put it in gear. I put it in first gear. Clutch all the way in still. And we start rolling forward like we're an automatic. So it gets worse as I drive, which means there's an air bubble or something in my hydraulic line to my clutch. So I think it might be my like a bad slave cylinder or a bad master cylinder. I've tried bleeding it, but I don't know at this point. So I've ordered a new slave cylinder, and we'll see if that fixes it.
That little spin you did back there was...
What spin? I don't know what you're talking about.
We didn't. We're actually in Mexico right now.
Yeah, closed course, shipped the car all the way down there. We have returned to the garage. Just did some light test drives. Honestly, this car handles really, really well, except for the clutch. The clutch is the only thing that's giving me problems, and I don't know what it is. And so we're just gonna keep trying the cheapest option until I fix it. So next thing is that slave cylinder bleeder. If that's bad, or if that doesn't work, then we will do the master cylinder, which is right here. And if that doesn't work, then we'll do the slave cylinder, which is inside the transmission, which I really don't want to do. So we got a few things to try. I'm hoping it's not like the clutch itself, but it feels like a hydraulic fluid thing. So just need to figure out what's going on there. Other than that, though, running really well. It's looking really good. And this thing's pretty much done, except for a couple little things that we have coming for it soon. Also, be sure to be ready for December, because I'm gonna try this year to upload a video every single day of December, whether it's a vlog or some sort of informational video or something. I'm gonna try to give you guys constant entertainment for every single day of December. So be sure to subscribe for that so you don't miss anything of this car or any of the other cars we have on the channel. It's gonna be probably the hardest thing I've tried yet, is uploading every single day, but I want to try it for you guys. So be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
So I've never been in a car like this before. Grayson's taking me out on the DF Goblin. We're just